In this video today I'm going to be doing a bleach bath. Most of it's going to be cut and edited, so you won't really see me have my head in the sink because it's going to be hard to film. So I'm going to show you which bleach I'm going to use. Yes, it's a box bleach and I've used this one so many times before. It's my favourite one, so here you are. It's the Schwarzkopf Max Blonde Live Intense Lightener. I've used this so many times before, but I've never tried it as a bleach bath, so that's going to be something new. So yeah, I'm going to try that. So I'm going to prep the sink ready, so see you in a bit. So I'm back, and in this kit we have the developer, powder, bleach powder, the cream, the pamphlet with the gloves inside. See, it's that. After treatment, and the little nozzle that goes on top of there when you're doing it straight onto the head. But I'm going to be putting this all in here with water. That's basically what the bleach bath is, and yeah, I'll see you. I've added all the developer and all that with it, well, into it now. I'm just adding the water. This time I'm not wasting any of this developer, I'm just filling it with water basically. So it's wasted. So I'm back after leaving my head in the sink for probably about 20ish minutes. Getting a little bit lightheaded obviously because my head's upside down in the sink. So I decided to put a plastic bag over it so the heat can help it lighten up more. I don't personally think it worked, but we'll just have to wait and see. Fingers crossed it does, because I've got a colour in mind of what I want to go, which you'll see hopefully in another video. Hopefully this has worked. If it's not worked, then you're probably not watching this, or if it failed, then you're welcome for the clickbait. So I'll see you in a couple of minutes. Well, in a second for you, but for me it'll probably be longer than that. See ya. So for the past 10-20 minutes I've tangled up my hair through using the hairdryer to try and lighten it up a bit. Couldn't be bothered with plastic bags, so I ended up taking that off. So yeah, I might put it back in the water for a little bit and then rinse it back out. If I do, I'll let you know. And then afterwards I'm going to use the after treatment, which is just about here. As you can see, it's on the edge of the sink. So yeah, and then hopefully it will work. Fingers crossed again. So I'd like to mention, yes, I do know that adding water to bleach will make it weaker. That is why I have done it, because the amount of times I've bleached the mid shaft to the end already is like 4 to 5 times, and any more and it's going to break off. That is why I watered it down. So yeah, plus I wanted to just lighten it anyway, which I'm hoping again will work out. So back to you, future Meg, with the bleach. So I'm back, my hair is mostly dry. Comment down below if you think that it made any difference at all. I think I might have slightly on the root. If you think there was any difference, or if not, remember to comment down below. I would suggest going to a salon to get a bleach bath, as there wasn't anything wrong with the bleach. I personally think there was more water than the ratio for the water was higher than it should be. That's what I believe. But I don't think it worked so well. But in a salon they've just used the probably less water one. So yeah, that's the only thing that, because I watered it down so much with how much water that was, so it's the only thing that I'm going to follow that. But other than that, if you want to have a slight lighter colour, then go ahead and do it. It was about £5 for the box from Savers, so yeah, that's a very good one to use. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment down below and like the video, and subscribe. See you next time, bye.